In this recipe, I'll be using around 50 grams of soy chunks, out of which I'll be getting around 26 grams of protein, and it is safe to consume 25 to 30 grams of protein from any soy products. Hey everyone, Smith here. In this video, I'll be clearing some misconceptions about soy products, and I'll also be sharing my soy chunks recipe, so keep watching till the end. So the misconceptions about it is, if you consume soy products, it will create hormonal problems within your body. It will give you the problem of gyno or man boobs, or it will increase the estrogen levels in your body. Now, those things aren't exactly true. Soy products can really mess up and create hormonal problems for you if you consume it in larger quantities. But if you consume soy products in moderation, even on regular basis, then you do not have to worry, you are good to go. Best part about this recipe is it is healthy and safe if you consume it in moderation. It is really easy to cook, and it is a plant-based protein source. Despite being a plant-based protein source, it is a complete source of protein. It means it has all 9 essential amino acids, which is kind of rare in plant-based protein sources, and it is really budget friendly. You can get a pack of 50 grams for around 10 rupees. So if all these things made some sense to you, keep watching this video till the end and let's go. So the first step will be adding some water to the vessel, and during this entire process I'll keep the flame on low. Then I'll add around 50 grams of soy chunks. I'll let it boil for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now for some taste, I'll be adding some Himalayan pink salt while it is being boiled. So for this meal, you can choose actually whatever veggies you want. So I'll be choosing a carrot, some tomatoes and an onion. I'm eating this exact same meal for 2 years now. So definitely soy products are safe when you consume it in moderation. So after boiling the soy chunks for around 4 to 5 minutes, let it rest for another 5 to 10 minutes and then squeeze all the water out of it. So before I actually start cooking the meal, I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And the next step will be I'll be adding those chopped veggies and then I'll saute them. Now you can use any oil for it, and if you want a vegetarian option, you can use ghee, and that is a great option. Now for this meal you can use spices and seasonings as per your choice, but I'll just go with the Himalayan pink salt. And the final step will be stirring it well for 2-3 minutes after adding soy chunks in it. So here you have a hot piping, high protein vegan meal which is safe and healthy. Through this meal I'll be getting around 253 calories, 35 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fiber, 29 grams of protein and negligible amount of fats. So alright, that was it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend who needs to see this, and support me on YouTube by subscribing to this channel. I'll see you next time.